How's it going, everyone? This is Skeleton Car Guy channel here. This is Sean, and today I wanted to show y'all a bunch of 132 scale models that I've collected over the years and a few I've built, and there's still a few more that I'd like to have, but I just want to know if any of y'all build 132, and if you do, I'd like for y'all to start posting and seeing what y'all got, and I'm going to show you what I've done, and I want to see what y'all have done. So, alright, I'm fixing to turn it over here and we'll see what I got. Okay. So, what I've got here, I've just laid out some of my 32 scale stuff right here. And I got anywhere from Airfix to the Matchbox. I got a couple of those. One of them's built, which I'll show you here in just a second. One's the AMT version, one's the Matchbox version, which are the exact same kits. And then I got two of the Matchbox MGTCs. I got a couple of the Revell P34s. One of them's built, as you can see down there, which I'll show you here in a minute. Then I got the Elf Transporter, which is a Ford, I think, C800 van that I've got built, which I'll show you here in a minute. And then I also have the Martini Porsche Transporter by Entex. I don't have built, and I got two Porsches up there. One's Martini, the 917, but then this Porsche isn't, but I've got the decals for it to make it the Martini to go with the race team, which I'll build one of these days. And I got a couple of MGBs, which one of them I've got built right here, and I got an Aston Martin, which I got built, and those are Airfix kits. And then I got this Airfix Trio kit here, which is a Triumph Herald, and then a Triumph, I think that's a TR4. And then you got another Escort. And then I got some vintage kits, which are the Airfix little Mini Cooper, Austin Mini Cooper. And this is the Airfix Escort that I got built right there, which is a vintage kit. And then I got this MGA by Monogram 132. I got this vintage MGB by Revell, never been built. And as you can see right there, there's a bunch more that I need to get that I don't have on the side of the box. I got a little Alpine, the little Austin Haley 3000, got a little Triumph TR4 that I don't have. The MGB is the one I do got. And this one here is a little Japanese kit. I don't even remember where I got that. And then that is a, what is that? What is that car? I'm not even sure here. What is that? Izu? But that's what that is. Then I got a bunch more Matchbox kits. I got the Auto Union. I got the Matchbox Jaguar SS. One of my favorites, Surtees TS16. That's one of them I really want to get built right there. Look at the box art. That's beautiful. Beautiful car. Then I got a Citroen, and then you can make this one a little hard top. I think on the back you can make it a little convertible. I got the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz SSKL. Very nice box art on these kits. Then I got a Matchbox Bugatti Type 59, and that right there, I got aftermarket wire wheels for this one to build. Then I got a Airfix Porsche 917. Alright, and here's what I've gotten built. Right here is, and this is dusty. It's been years since I've even pulled it out of the case. The thing's an old build. I mean, I can't remember when I built that. This has been so long. There's a spare wheel underneath there. The interior. It's not a bad car. Old build. There's the engine. I even wired that up. Boy, that's old. And I got this little Aston Martin. That was that Airfix kit right there. That's the one I built right there. This one's curbside, so there's no engine detail or nothing. I don't know if you can see the interior of that. That's another old build. It's got a lot of dust on it. And this one here is one of these kits right here. My EMG TCs. I love those cars. Love to own one in real life. You can see there. Pull the top off of it. I love that car. Beautiful car. See the engine on this one. Oh yeah, I even wired this one up too. Like I said, it's an older build. Beautiful kit. And here, now that one really is old. I think I built that one 20 years ago. I know. That's back before I even owned a actual MG, which I got a MGB GT out there in the garage and a couple little midgets. But that one there, I didn't even paint the motor like it should have been. I probably should have back then, but like I said, I didn't even own one. I didn't know what they would really look like. I was just guessing when I did this one. And like I said, that's one of the MG kits right there. And this is one of my favorite kits. You can see it's got a clear top. You can see in there if you put the car in there. You got the opening door. And move this Escort out of the way. I don't know if you can see this. Let's move some of these models. Let's get in here and look at this. Alright. I don't know if you can see the interior of the truck. There's the front of it. This little thing's supposed to pop open right here, and for some reason it's not. But this opens up. I got the motor wired up, if you can see that. Let's see. There's a little Terrell. I wired that sucker up. I love that kit. Like I said, that's one of those kits right there. One's not built and one's built. This right here was a fun kit to build. It's so small, but it was fun. I don't know if I can see the inside of there or not. I'm moving it all around. But yeah, this is my 32 scale collection. Like I said, I would like to see what y'all have built or planning on building. And just if you want, we can do a build off. I mean, I really don't care. I mean, whatever y'all want to do. I'm just, like I said, I'd like to see what people have and what they built. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe to the Scale Model Car Guide channel. This is Sean. Thank you.